Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to install Juniper SRX firewall in EVE-NG. So friends, you can see I have installed it in EVE-NG. So I will show you from scratch how to install, how to download it and how to install it. So friends, also we will do basic configuration. So watch this video till the end. So friends, let's start. First of all, we have to download Juniper SRX iOS. Download Juniper SRX. Okay, from Juniper site, junipersupport.juniper.com. Okay, from here we can type here VSRX. Now we have to select version. I'm going to install version 19.2. So my image will be, I have to download QCOW2 file. So I am going to install this one 19.2 R1. Okay, I have to download this QCOW2 file here. You can download from here. It will ask for your credential. Okay, you can provide your credential and click on next. Click on sign in. After that, click on agree. For agreement, proceed. Now click here. Now click here to download. So you can see it started downloading. Now friends, you can see we have successfully downloaded this file, Juniper SRX image QCOW2 file here. Okay, now let's log in on EVE-NG. Okay, from putty I'm going to log in here. My EVE-NG 16. Login with your root password. Okay, now friends, we have logged in. So friends, you can see we have downloaded this version 19.2 R1.8. Now friends, we have to create an image folder in EVE-NG. So let me show you directory here, mkdir /opt/unitlab add-on QEMU VSRX-NG dash 19.2 R1.8/. Okay, so you can see my image file name is 19.2 R1.8. okay, so we have to create this folder. Now we have created. Now friends, with the help of WinSCP or FileZilla, we have to transfer this file to this folder. Okay, so let's log in WinSCP. Close this session, new session, new site. My EVE-NG IP address 192.168.1.16. Username root, password. Yes, so I have created. Go to root, opt, unitlab, add-on QEMU. So you can see I have created this folder. I have to copy. So I have to copy that file. So friends, I have to copy this file to this folder. Just drag and drop. Now copy started here to EVE-NG. Now friends, you can see image file successfully copied in EVE-NG. So let's go to CLI here. Now go to that folder. ls. So you can see we have successfully get this file in EVE-NG. So now what to do? Now we have to rename this file like MB. Now just copy and paste here. Sorry, just rename with VIRT IO A Vartiva dot q cow2 ls. So now friends, you can see we have this image file name. Now we have to fix permission. /opt unitlab wrapper unit wrapper. Press enter. Now it's done. Now friends, we have to log in EVNG GUI. To log in EVNG GUI, 192.168.1.16. It's HTTP. Click here to log in. Now friends, we have to create new lab here. Add new lab. Juniper SRX. Put version, anything. Now click on save. Now friends, you can see we are in EVNG GUI. Now we have to create lab here. Add on objects. Node. Now we will get here Juniper SRX. NXOS. So you can see Juniper SRX next gen. Highlighted it. Now click on it. And you will see here Juniper SRX. Now just save it and you will get this Juniper SRX NG. Okay, now click on start here. Now it's starting. Double click on it, so you will see it's getting starting here. Now friends, you can see installation is started here. It will take approx 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, keep patience. It will do first time. After first time installation, it will be working fine. Now friends, you can see we have successfully installed. So now we have to log in that root. Okay, we have to do basic settings here. Like first of all, after installation, we have to do we have to provide root password. So let's see how to provide root password. Go to CLI for operational mode. Okay, now here we can set here root password. Now go to type configure for configuration mode. Now for root password, set system root authentication plain text password. Okay, now provide root password here. Okay, so we have it given here root password. Now commit, and also you can provide username like set system login user admin class super user authentication plain text password. Press enter. Now it will ask for new password. Provide password and type again here. So we have set here another user. Okay, now we can set here host name here. How to set host name? Let me show you. Set system host name technical coach. Commit. Now you can see we have provided host name. So friends, we want to log in from JWeb and SSH. So we have to provide management IP address here. Let me show you the interface. So interface. Okay, so you can see this is management interface. So we have to provide IP address set interface fx0 unit 0 family inet address like 192.168.150/24. Now commit here. Now friends, we have to do one thing in add object here, no network. We have to add here cloud, management cloud. Click OK. Now we have to connect with cloud. So you can, now we have stopped here. Now we can connect here with FXP0. Now click on save. Now let's start here. Start a machine. Now double click. Now friends, it's rebooted here. So we log in again with given ID and password. So you can see we have successfully logged in. And now friends, let's try to ping from our system 192.168.1.150. Yeah, it's working. Let's try to access with JWeb. HTTPS, it will be 150. So you can see we are able to access via. So friends, let's try with created username which we have created. So friends, you can see we are able to log in with JWeb GUI. Okay. So friends, in this video we have seen how to install Juniper SRX in EVE-NG, and next coming video we'll see how to configure it, how to configure policy, how to configure NAT, IPsec VPN and other things also. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.